this is the arrival of the Padcaster Pro. I've been waiting quite a while for this one. You can see my Kickstarter number on there and my name, and the packaging, as you can see, appears to be absolutely fine. No dents, no battering, no problems. So we're just going to open this up and make sure that everything's okay. I don't usually do unboxings, but there have been a few horror stories about this product in the last few months. People reporting issues with broken glass, etc. I just want to make sure that I have a product that's in good condition. And to show other people that that is the case. Okay. Popping it open. There we go. So we have the Padcaster Pro teleprompter multi-function adapter kit. And we'll get to that in a moment. So far, so good. Okay, just going to tip this out this way. So we can get a grip on it. And there is the Padcaster Parrot Pro teleprompter kit. So far, so good. Again, none of the packaging has any damage to it. Okay. So far, so good. We have a very nice little external case for everything. I'm just going to pop the box on there. And we have some supporting documentation there as well. Thank you very much for supporting Padcaster Parrot Pro. You're welcome. Oops. Might just have kicked the mic stand there. Hopefully everything's still okay. Right. Again, everything looks fine so far. All right. Is that a second zip? Just one. Okay. And there's the whole kit. All right. Nice padding, all the rest of it. And here we have the main item. Been waiting a long time for you, mate. All right. That appears to all be fine. No marks, no scratches, etc. GoPro-like fittings on that. Is that opening? Or have I got something wrong? No. Is this open? There we go. Now, judging from first impressions, I don't know if you can see that, the beam splitter glass appears to be whole and in one piece. And that's as far as it opens. And so far, at least, I can't see any problems or damage with the glass. It looks clean. Excellent. So that's one problem that appears to be okay. And there's the sliding shelf for the mobile phones. And that all appears to be fine as well. It's quite a nice rubberized material. Just for gripping the phone, which is nice. Things aren't likely to slide around as much. And what appears to be the adjustment for it. No, that's for fitting onto the tripod. Something slightly different. So I have to figure out the rest of this. But so far, at least, that all looks pretty good. Just there. This also comes with the Padcaster Pro remote control. Looks pretty standard. Get that out shortly. A very nice little bag with the ring segments for fitting to various lens sizes. And cable. Oh, that looks like, I don't know what that's for, to be honest. Find out later. Warnings, chemical burn hazards, etc. And we have all of the packaging here. Oh, I'm not entirely sure what this is. Oh, we have a cleaning pen, which nice little inclusion. And brush for that. For screen cleaning and generally making life better. Also included a large lens cloth for the beam splitter glass. And nice little logo. Lovely. And just a supporting piece of cardboard telling you that that's the cleaning kit. Just going to put that back in there for the moment. I ordered the Kickstarter Special Advanced package, which is why I have the Parrot Pro teleprompter multi-function adapter kit alongside this as well, which I'm just going to open up for you as well. Pop that there for the moment. Oops, we have got a little security seal. And we can have some bits and bats, which is great. Some multi-function ball joint in there. Just remember that there for the moment. Oh, all sorts of exciting things. Looks like therefore the mobile phone setup. And we have multi-plate there as well, along with a small plastic screw. Plastic head, I think that's the actual screw itself is made of metal. So I'm just going to pop that in there for the moment. Screw action seems nice. And we have a battery. What looks to be a battery. Is that a battery? No. Ah, it's a tool. Probably for tightening things. On there. And we have a mobile phone mount. Okay, looks quite nice. Spring loaded, as you can see. A little bit of scratching on there. Something's been obviously pressing on the foam. Not the end of the world. Probably won't cry too much at that point. And I'm not quite sure what the tabs are for yet. Oh, they are for something. I'll figure that out when I watch the tutorial video. And got another lens adapter, 37mm lens ring. And a mobile phone clip for popping over your phone and fitting accessories to it. Okay, build quality looks fairly good. Plastics on some of these things are a little cheap feeling, but certainly not unexpected for the money. The grips seem pretty good on this as well. And the main event, which you can see here, just going to close up the main compartment, tighten that up. A little stiff, but it's okay. All in all, for the price, seems like a fairly cool piece of equipment. This, I'm assuming, slides out. I'll get to that later. I'll probably do another video when I have it set up to show how it's working and to address the other problem that other people have mentioned, which is some doubling of the text, ghosting of the text that has been bothering some people. So I'll set this up and then hopefully it will work a charm. But in terms of unpacking and the product itself, it's come along pretty good. It's in decent condition, and yeah, seems like a reasonable piece of equipment. Welcome to our segment on teleprompters. Today we're going to delve into the world behind the screens and explore how teleprompters revolutionize the way we deliver speeches and presentations. Let's dive in. Teleprompters, also known as auto cues, are devices used to display scripts or text in front of a presenter or speaker. They have become an essential tool in the media industry, aiding news anchors, television hosts, and even political figures in delivering flawless performances.